Boom! Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time watching our channel, then thank you for stopping by. My name is Lucy and I create lots of different videos with my best friend Melissa. Today it will just be me and I'm picking my other friend Lauren up, and we are going to London for a Disney day. So we are going to the Disney 100 exhibition at the ExCeL. I'm going to drive to the edge of London, park at the North Ealing tube station, and then we'll get the tube to the ExCeL. It's such an easy station to park at. It's got toilets, it's not expensive to park there, it's cheap, it's got security cameras, all that jazz, and it's just easy. A reminder, you do have to pay to drive into London. The emission zone thing is huge now, so even on the edge of London you probably still have to pay. That was £12.50, and the tickets for the Disney exhibition are £28 each. After the Disney exhibition we are driving to Hemel Hempstead to go to the, I believe it's called 66 Books Warehouse. I'm pretty sure that's right. I will show you anyway. It's a huge book warehouse, and once a month they do a 70% off everything in the warehouse. We're really excited about that. I'm not gonna lie, a day of Disney and books, it's a dream. People have given me lists of things they want me to get when I get to the book warehouse, if they have it. Yeah, so we'll show you what that's like. It's our first time doing that, so we will see what that's like. So, but for now, here's a lovely montage of our travels to the Disney exhibition. Woo! We finally found it after about an hour of walking in the wrong direction, past the giant sign that was right outside the station, but here we are, we're going in. Woohoo, we're excited. Hope you enjoyed this little montage. It's my friend Lauren.
Hello.
That we've gone to the Disney exhibition with. So good. Wasn't it good?
It was so good.
Just, if you love Disney, oh, amazing. There's actually lots to read and lots to do though. We're actually there longer than we thought. So magical. They had everything from like the the movies to the parks, even had park stuff. They had stuff from like Star Wars, Marvel, everything. But we're doing a little brisk walk back to the car, and then we're going to go on a drive to the book place. I think it's called 66 Books.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Okay, it is 66 Books. So we're hoping, our last entry is 4 o'clock, but we should be there before that anyway. We're hoping they'll let us in. It might be a bit busy, but hopefully we'll get there. We will see. Little update. I'm actually back home now. I was not allowed to film in the book place. They don't like you to film in there because there's lots of other people in there and there's staff in there who don't want to be filmed. So that's fine. I didn't want to disrupt anybody, so I didn't film. It was amazing. We got there at like 3:30 and the place closes at 6, and we still didn't have enough time to get through it all. Basically you have to sign up to a £2 annual fee membership. It's literally £2 a year, that's it, for you to get in. And when we got there actually wasn't much of a queue, thank goodness. There is so many good things, like there's the kids book, there's so many kids books. There were so many like autobiographies. There was literally books, and there were so many of them, and they're all like, basically they're brand new books, but everything was like 70% off. Me and Lauren were in our absolute element, living our best lives. I'd written a list of what I wanted. I picked up other things that were not on the list, doesn't matter, but I thought I'd show you what I got. I look like an absolute scruff, but I'm currently editing the vlog from the Disney 100 exhibition and the book place, and while I'm editing the part where I'm sat on the sofa, and all you can see in the background is like a little hand, and it looks like a baby's hand, and I feel like I need to come on and say there is not a baby on the back of the sofa reaching for help. It is a doll. Before people come for me in the comments like, Jesus, there's a baby on the back of the sofa. It is a doll. It's this doll. My mum likes these reborn dolls, and it was his little hand poking up. It's not a real baby. I don't throw babies on the back of the sofas. It's as well. Anyway, enjoy the video, carry on. First, obviously I love the Disney Twisted Tales stories, and they've put out loads of new ones. So the 3 that was on my list were there. So I got a Twisted Tale, Almost There. This is the Tiana, Princess Tiana book. I also got the Twisted Tale, Suddenly Super. This is the Incredibles. And I also got the Twisted Tale, When You Wish Upon a Star, and this is the Pinocchio one. So those are actually 3 new ones that haven't been out that long. So that's exciting. So I've got those 3. The 4th one I got was a Rebel in Auschwitz. I thought, by the back, it's based on a true story. The read is just really interesting, and I don't normally read things like this, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to get it, and I'm excited to read that as well. So that's book number 4. I got, this is really random, but I saw it and I thought I've got to have it. The Never Ending Story. I've never read it, and I thought, do you know what, I loved the film, watched it as a kid, and I want to read it, so I bought The Never Ending Story. That's book number 5. And then I got these 2, which are part of a 4-book series. The Darkest Minds, and they didn't have them all there, but because they were so cheap, I thought I'm going to get the 2 that I found, and I'll just get the other 2 somewhere else. But I got the first one, Darkest Minds, and I got the last one, The Darkest Legacy. So I've got to get the other 2, Never Fade and In the Afternight. So I need to get the other 2, but I thought, honestly, they were so cheap in there, I couldn't say no. I then got this one called Hidden Pictures. It is it's a horror, it's a scary book. It's actually on my Amazon book wish list, and I saw it, okay, randomly, I saw it climbing up to reach for another book that I wanted, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, there was one left, and I thought, oh my god, that's my wish list, so I picked it up. So that's that one. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8 books. And then new favourite author is I think it's Riley Sager or Sager, I'm not sure how you say it, or Saga. Riley Sager is there. The only one left. I've read 2 of her books, they're amazing. I've let Lauren borrow them, she loved them, and she's got quite a few. And this is the one I was trying to reach off the top shelf, so we did have to climb the shelf. I don't think you meant to do that, but the pile was so high, Lauren just climbed the shelf and got it. Doesn't matter. but I got this one as well. So that's 9 books. Okay, so normally these books, brand new, are expensive. They were meant to be £88, and I got them all for £26. 9 books for £26, 9 brand new books for £26. That is insane. Like, that is madness. It is so good. Definitely recommend it. It's in Hemel Hempstead. It's called 66 Books. They do them once a month, and they have all the dates and times online. Sometimes they are so busy you need to get there early and the queue is out the door. So ideally we would have been better off going in the morning because we would have had more time to look. But yeah, we were lucky we got there. There wasn't really a queue, and we still had a good like 2.5 to 3 hours to look through, and we still didn't look. There was lists I was trying to find for other people, and it was so much there, I just didn't have like the time to do it. Like, you need a whole day there. Definitely recommend it. The Disney 100 exhibition, definitely recommend it. It has been extended. It is now here till June, I believe. That was amazing. That was really, and it's even more exciting because I'm going to Disney this year, so there will be some videos. There'll be a trip announcement video for that, but I am going to Disney World this year, and it just made me even more excited. Honestly, I could have cried the whole way around because I was just envisioning myself in Disney. So I hope you liked this little vlog. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Boom.